Good afternoon. This is my YouTube video. I'm basically going ahead and labeling my candles that have been setting for about a month. And I'm putting a piece of paper in each candle. I cut one piece of paper and go right ahead and label that paper with the date and the fragrance that I started with. And here you can see that they are all lined up. These are Golden Tide, Beach Breeze, and Island Bliss. I will get to Solar Oasis. That's in the making. I just have to order a fragrance for it. The pink pineapple fragrance, that's part of the process. So I'm just putting the label in the candle jar itself after I made sure they cured properly. The cure time was about a month on these candles, so I just let them set from about the 29th of June. And even though they have a longer cure time, they still have a burst of fragrance. When I take the candle, the top off, that gold top that you can see in the lower middle of the screen, I put those tops on after I cut the label and take the wick stabilizers off. Those wick stabilizers are absolutely a necessity. So I am putting the gold labels on here, and I do them, in each sequence with the fragrance so I don't confuse myself, of course. And you can see the even top right there. And I just adjusted the camera a little, and then I went ahead and cut that wick. And right now I am closing up the Golden Tide. It was 3 Golden Tide. Moving on to the Beach Breeze here. And again, I repurpose everything. So the wicks that are cut, they are used in shorter containers, like the 8-ounce containers. I do have those as well in the same fragrances. So I do have the 8-ounce in Golden Tide, Beach Breeze, and Island Bliss. And I finished labeling that Golden Tide, and I'm moving on to the Beach Breeze now. And I just went ahead and labeled all of the tops so that I wasn't confused by anything. And, just made sure I cut the wicks down. Excuse me. And I went ahead and stuck that on there. Cut the wick down here. And once I was done with that, I went ahead and I went ahead and started the process of putting the more professional labels on. You can see the even top right there. I love that part. That top came out so even. I mean, no bumps or any types of bubbles in the top, which is a really good thing. So again, I'm just doing it repetitively here. And putting that label in the jar, and then cutting the wicks off the top. Again, those are going to go in my 8-ounce candles. And I moved on to the last one, which was Island Bliss. And Island Bliss it smells so good. It's coconut based. Island Bliss is coconut based. Beach Breeze is going to be the pineapple mango base, and the Golden Tide is more of a lemon cactus base with a hint of vanilla. So each fragrance has its own unique scent to it. And here I go finishing up the process. I didn't want to take up too much of everyone's day, but I just wanted to give you a brief glimpse of how the labeling process goes for when I put that label on each candle for what I do here. And that's the last of it. Again, it's very repetitive, labeling everything after the process of curing is done. But again, just a quick glimpse of my day as I set my candles and get them ready to put in the shop. They are at 1180 Ralph David Abernathy. Thank you for enjoying the video. You all enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.